welcome to BilisummaaShow with Woyesa. I found that this article are related to a Finffinnee master plan. I located this article over at Somaliland Press.com. If you are interested, of course, as always, you could go to at the bottom of this video. I have the link for you available right there. You could go read it, share it, and educate yourself. The title of the article is Dispute Oromo Protesters Addis Master Plan Continues. If you don't know a whole lot about this master plan will evict millions of Oromos from Oromia towns around Finffinnee. The title of the article is again a dispute. Oromo protests Addis Master Plan continues. Let me go here at the bottom with some of this article. But now, after Oromo protesters sparkled by diaspora-based websites led to riots, OPDO is fully disassociating itself from the protesters, according to the source. OPDO feels its anti-expansion agenda was hijacked by foreign forces, the government sources added. In addition to the Addis Ababa, the government is planning to expansion of Jeredawa, the second biggest city in Ethiopia. Such expansion will include new industrialized zones, and it's expected to benefit economically of both neighboring Djibouti and Somaliland. Over there at the top, there's more. Let me go read some of it again. OPDO, led by new chairman Mukhtar Kadir, has become more influential since the passing away of Meles Zenawi. Yes, since the passing away of Prime Minister Meles Zenawi. Previously, many top OPDO leaders openly display opposition to the master plan, which was a plan that required expansion of Addis Ababa towns, Oromia towns. If I want to read more, again, at the bottom of this video, more information is available. Thanks for watching and listening. This has been BilisummaaShow with Woyesa. Again, thanks for watching and listening. Take care. Bye-bye.